All right. So I hit it with the sand brick as well. I think the video went out on me, but hit it with that. Wiped it down again. Putting it, connecting it back to the post now. So yeah. Hey, don't do this. Don't leave your tools on top of the battery. That's not smart. Don't do that. So make sure you always do this stuff with caution. Like I said, next time unplug both sides of the. Well, when you do it, or if you do this, unplug both sides of the battery. Don't take shortcuts like I do. I've seen what happens taking shortcuts, so I'm a little more cautious. But if you never experienced it or never seen that, you don't want to find out. I made sure the post, well, the wires are connected to the post a lot better this go around. So shouldn't be having this issue again. Yeah, that's on there real good and tight. Now this one, let's go ahead and snatch this side off because we're here. We are here. And what is an extra 5 minutes to make sure the car don't shut off on you again? And my wife actually drives this car, so you can imagine the earful I get behind this. Oh yeah, wow. Now this one is definitely gonna need a cleaning. All right, so as we're seeing, this side was worse than the other side. I thought the other side was the worst one, but I'm glad I opened this one up. We can go ahead and clean it. Guy out here cutting the grass, so excuse the noise. Yeah, this side was way worse. Try to see if I can get this stuff spread it out so I can get a better clean. Yeah, make sure you spread these out. That way you can make sure you can get it cleaned a lot better. See how the baking soda and hot water is actually still hot. Makes that good paste for it. Cool thing, the brushes that I bought, it tells you what the brushes are used for, like what different metals you can use them for. So that's, if you don't know, but I'm using the steel one. Seems to be working pretty good. So if you can see it, hopefully y'all can see it. It's coming clean. This cord is kind of freaking short, so give me a little more challenging to work with. So I'm gonna do, put some more paste on this one. Just let it sit, and then I hit it one more time. Wow. So I'm gonna let it sit while I clean the smaller post. So on top, the posts look good, you know. But then when you get ready to, you know, in the middle of driving, you realize that it's not as good as it looks, or when you take it apart at least. Because on top, if you look at the posts, they look nice and clean. Yeah. So while these are sitting, I'm gonna hit this with, while that's still sitting, I'm gonna hit this with the sandpaper, sand brick. All right, let's go ahead and hit this one more time. We're gonna hit it with the sand brick as well, and it should be ready to rock and roll.